welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for watching. So today we're gonna get into these braids. Yeah, I just went and got a fresh new set of braids from the comfort of my own home that came from Amazon. Yeah, and this is so convenient for me because I'm so tender-headed. I literally hate getting braids. If you see me with braids, I really wanted some braids because I hate getting my hair braided. But this is so convenient. I will never have to see my sister again. Just kidding, because I love my sister and I love her braids. But y'all, this is so quick and easy. Like, easy. If I wanted some braids just because I feel like it, I could go slap this on. And it's so affordable. I really want you guys to try this hair out. I'm not even gonna talk y'all head off. We're just gonna get right into this video. All right, y'all, so I am done installing this wig. And y'all tell me I didn't just go get a fresh set of braids. I'm really so excited for this hair. I have never had a braided wig before. And this is it. This is it. I decided to do dramatic baby hair just because this was my first braided wig. And y'all, I think I ate all this part stuck up, but I could tack that. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. It's really not much to say. I did go off camera and add some concealer in the part. I just used my angle brush and some LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I put it through the parts just so they could be more defined, and it worked. It definitely did. This wig is full and it's very lightweight. It literally does not feel like it's nothing on my head. It's not heavy at all, and the braids are long, y'all. So yeah, y'all, dramatic edges cracking. I might cut them down tomorrow and relax a little bit, but as of right now, I like them just how they are. This hair was sent to me from a company on Amazon called Sangtok, and this is their 36-inch box braided full lace wig. Yeah. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can be cute together. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.